Hello everyone, today we're going to make beef caldereta, which is a Filipino recipe. To start off, we have beef that has been cut and has marinated overnight in a mixture of 7-Up, salt, pepper, and garlic. We also have green peas, 2 cups of water, red bell peppers, carrots, potatoes, liver spread, salt and pepper, as well as oil, magic syrup seasoning, knorr seasoning in beef flavor, as well as tomato sauce, tomatoes, as well, and garlic and onions. First, we're going to fry the potatoes, carrots, and bell peppers in oil, starting with the potatoes first, and then the carrots, and then finally the bell peppers. Afterwards, we're going to put that aside and saute the garlic and onions. Once the garlic and onions have browned, we'll add the tomatoes and then cook them until soft. We'll add the beef and stir fry it until the meat has browned. Add in the tomato sauce and water, as well as some salt and pepper to taste and the Knorr beef cube. After that, we'll cover it and let it simmer for a while until the beef is tender. After the meat has become tender, we'll add in the liver spread and the magic syrup seasoning for flavor. Then we'll add in the potatoes as well as a little bit of hot sauce. Next, we'll add in the carrots, red peppers, and green peas. We'll let that simmer for a little bit until the vegetables have fully cooked. Now we'll plate the meal and it's all ready to be served. And here's our beef caldereta all finished. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.